Saving $1 a day doesn't sound like much, but over a year, that's $365. And when you invest that, well, let's talk about that later. Because first things first, we got to make sure you have cash stacked away for emergencies. Because trust me, unexpected expenses happen. Imagine this. You're chilling, and then bam, a $500 repair bill pops up. If you had some cash saved up, you'd be able to handle it without going into debt. But if you didn't, that unexpected bill could send you into a tailspin. And here's the thing. Saving $1 a day is easy peasy. They might seem small and insignificant at first, but over time, they can cause serious damage. Imagine this. You go out for dinner, and your card gets declined because your credit is maxed out. Not having cash for emergencies can be a financial disaster, so build an emergency fund. Start small, even $50 a month adds up. Having an emergency fund gives you peace of mind knowing you can handle unexpected expenses without going into debt. No. 1. Living paycheck to paycheck. This habit is like running on a hamster wheel. We suggest using the 50-30-20 budget rule as your guide. You plant the seed with your initial investment, and over time it grows into a strong, healthy tree that provides you with financial comfort. They tend to adopt a scarcity mindset where they believe there isn't enough money to go around. On the other hand, rich people embrace a prosperity mindset, thinking there's plenty of money out there and they deserve a share of it. By automating your savings, you can effortlessly set aside money each month without even realizing it's missing. A popular app allows you to round up your purchases to the nearest dollar and save the difference. For example, if you spend $4.30, it will round up to $5 and save you 70 cents. Another app offers a similar feature. Additionally, it provides a visual representation of your savings progress, which can be highly motivating. Lastly, a budgeting app can help you track your expenses and categorize them, making it easier to identify areas where you can cut back and save more. These apps offer different approaches to automating your savings, so it's worth trying them out to find what works best for you. They see opportunities where others don't and take calculated risks to achieve their financial goals. Additionally, rich people focus on building wealth for future generations, while many poor and middle-class individuals primarily focus on their immediate needs and desires. Starting with just $10 is totally doable. Many platforms allow you to invest small amounts. Remember, consistency is key. By investing regularly, even small amounts add up over time thanks to the power of compound interest. Plus, it's a great way to build wealth and secure your future. This rule is like a financial GPS helping you navigate your finances effectively. 50% of your budget goes toward essential expenses like rent, utilities, and groceries. Here are 3 side hustle ideas that require little to no startup costs. Number 1, pet sitting or dog walking. People love their pets and are willing to pay for their care. You can advertise your services in your neighborhood or use online platforms to find clients. No. 2. Offering services like lawn mowing or gardening. If you enjoy outdoor work and have some basic equipment, consider offering lawn mowing or gardening services. It can start by helping friends and family and expand from there. No. 3. Selling crafts or artwork online. If you're artistic, you can sell your crafts or artwork online through platforms like Etsy or at local craft fairs. With a bit of creativity and effort, you can turn your hobbies into a profitable side hustle. Think of it as your must-have category. 30% is for fun stuff like dining out, hobbies, and entertainment. These are your nice-to-have expenses. Finally, 20% is dedicated to savings and debt repayment. This is your future focus category. To make budgeting easier, use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your income and expenses. Set financial goals and review your budget regularly. It's like decluttering your finances, keeping everything in check. You work hard, receive a paycheck, and before you know it, it's gone. Living paycheck to paycheck keeps you stuck in a cycle of just getting by. It's hard to save or invest when all your money is spent on daily expenses. So break free from this cycle. Create a budget, track your spending, and find ways to boost your income. It won't be easy, but it's worth it for the long-term benefits. For example, skip buying that daily coffee, make it at home instead. It only takes 5 minutes. You can brew a whole pot for the week and save around $75. It's like driving without a map. You have no idea where you're going. Before you hit checkout, wait 24 hours. This 24-hour rule isn't just a random idea. It's a proven way to reduce impulse spending. During that 24 hours, you'll have time to reconsider your purchase. You might realize you don't really need that item or find a cheaper alternative. It's a simple trick, but it works wonders in curbing those impulsive buys. Tracking your expenses helps you understand where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Even if you're broke, it's crucial to have some savings for emergencies. Think of it as a safety net that protects you from financial disaster. Having an emergency fund provides peace of mind knowing you have a backup plan. It also helps you avoid going into debt when unexpected expenses arise. While it may be challenging initially, start small. Even $1 a day adds up. Automate your savings by setting up direct deposits into a separate account. Treat it like a non-negotiable expense. Over time, you'll build a solid safety net for yourself. There are tons of apps and tools available to make tracking easy and efficient. Just think of all the things you can buy with $75. Now let's talk about mindset. Here are 3 mindset shifts that will help you become a money magnet. But guess what? Everyone's financial journey is unique. Some people get a head start, while others have to hustle harder. The only person you should compare yourself to is the person you were last year. If you're making progress, you're on the right track. Remember, it's not about how much money you have compared to others. It's about appreciating your own progress and celebrating your wins along the way. No. 1. Stop thinking of money as something that can buy all your happiness. Yes, money can buy nice things like vacations or a fancy car, but it's not the key to lasting happiness that comes from within. Instead, think of money as a tool to help you live the life you want. Think of it as a way to buy freedom, do what you love, and help others. When you shift your mindset from happiness to freedom, money becomes more than just numbers in your bank account. It becomes a means to create the life you truly desire. No. 2. Don't fall into the comparison trap. It's super easy to compare yourself to others and feel like you're behind. No. 3. Embrace delayed gratification. This one might be tough, but trust me, it's worth it. Delayed gratification means waiting before indulging in instant pleasures. Like, think twice before making those small purchases. Ask yourself, do I really need this, or can I wait and save up for it? By practicing delayed gratification, you'll avoid unnecessary expenses and save more money. This will also help you appreciate your purchases more when you finally treat yourself. Bad money habits are like termites to your financial dreams. Number 2, relying on credit cards for emergencies. Credit cards can be lifesavers in emergencies, but relying on them for everyday purchases is a slippery slope. No. 3, not tracking expenses. It's crazy how many people don't track their expenses. You know that new phone you've been eyeing, or those trendy shoes you saw online? We've all been there. But here's the twist. Speaking of saving, let's talk about emergency funds. Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, it can be fun. Investing is like planting a seed that grows into a financial tree. Rich people often think differently when it comes to money compared to poor or middle-class individuals. Starting a side hustle with $0 is entirely possible. You just need a bit of creativity and resourcefulness. The best apps to automate your savings can make a significant impact on your financial well-being.